The Toyota Camry 28 to 2021 key fob uses a CR2032 battery to power remote start, lock, unlock, and panic functions. If your remote isn't working, a dead battery is the likely culprit. To open the fob, locate the small indentation or button on the side. Gently press or pry at this point to separate the two halves of the plastic casing. Be cautious, as some cases may have adhesive seals. Avoid forceful prying to prevent damage. Once open, you'll see the internal circuit board and the battery. Note the battery's orientation, plus and minus, before removing it. Remove the old CR2032 battery from the key fob. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity with the positive side up. Snap the key fob case back together firmly to ensure a secure fit. Test the functionality by locking and unlocking your Camry to confirm the battery replacement worked. Now, important precautions to follow. Always use a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the fob. Ensure the fob is completely dry to prevent corrosion. Use a quality CR2032 battery to match the required 3-volt voltage specifications. Avoid generic batteries that may not work properly. If the case is stuck, use a suction cup tool to help open it gently. If issues persist after battery replacement, it may indicate a deeper problem requiring professional help.